Here's how to get a customized ringtone without needing to download any apps. First, go to TikTok and choose the ringtone you want. Next, download the video using the share button. Wait for it to download. Next, go to Photos or Camera. Crop the video to under 28 seconds. Save the video. Press Share and Save to Files. Go to the Files app. Click on the name of the file you just downloaded. Click on it again and press the arrow that pops up, then scroll down and press Edit Extension. Change Move to M4A. Click Use double quotes .M4A. Hold on it once it looks like this, then press Share. Then press Use as Ringtone. And there you go, enjoy.